Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference just ended, and they had a lot to announce. They introduced new AI features for their devices and made some big updates to their operating systems. If you didn't catch the live event, we've summarized all the major announcements for you below. Apple is introducing its own AI system called Apple Intelligence. This system will be available on iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Apple Intelligence will add new features to apps, like generating images and summarizing text. It emphasizes security by choosing between on-device processing and Apple's private cloud. The system will be free and available on iPhone 15 Pro, iPads, and Macs with M1 chips and newer. Siri is getting a major AI upgrade. The voice assistant will now appear as a pulsating light on your iPhone's edge. You can use Siri to control apps more easily, like finding info in an email or a photo of a friend. Apple is using advanced language models to help Siri understand you better and handle follow-up questions. Siri will now include ChatGPT from OpenAI. Siri will decide if a query is better handled by ChatGPT. Siri will ask for your permission before using ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT through Siri for free and without needing an account. Apple is adding new AI features to its apps in iOS 18. Mail will now be able to summarize emails and generate responses. A new feature called Genmoji lets you create custom emojis from text prompts. There's also a new AI image generator called Image Playground. AI features in Apple apps. Photos app. Search for photos using natural language. Remove background objects like Google's Magic Eraser. Notes and phone apps. AI-powered transcriptions. Summarize content. Customization in iOS 18. Control Center. New customizable design. Home screen. Freely place app icons. App security. Lock certain apps to prevent unauthorized access. Other updates. Redesign Photos app. New game mode to optimize gameplay. RCS support in iOS 18. RCS support confirmed to arrive in iOS 18. iMessage upgrades. Schedule texts. SMS messaging via satellite. Colorful tab options. Bold, underline, and italicize text. Apple TV Plus enhancements. New features. Insights to identify actors and characters on screen. Show current song and add to Apple Music. Automatic subtitles when muted. Support for 21:9 projectors. Passwords app. Password management. Keep track of logins across devices. Generate and store passwords. Available on iOS, iPadOS, macOS, visionOS, and Windows. iPadOS 18 updates. Calculator app. Supports Apple Pencil for solving equations. Smart Script feature. Improves handwriting appearance. Spellchecks notes. macOS 15 features. iPhone mirroring. Mirror your iPhone on your Mac. View notifications and hear audio from your iPhone. Safari highlights. Uses machine learning to highlight interesting parts of a page. watchOS 11 improvements. Automatic widgets. Adds widgets based on your needs. Vitals app. Explore important health metrics. Additional features. New cycle tracking. Live activities. Check-in for workout tracking. visionOS 2 enhancements. New features. Spatial photos for added depth. Support for ultra-wide virtual Mac display. More intuitive gestures. Travel mode on trains. Global availability. Vision Pro coming to China, Singapore, Australia, Canada, France, and the UK. AirPods Pro update. Siri interactions. Respond to Siri with head gestures. Voice isolation. Enhance voice quality. Reduced background noise. Hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for more updates.